English grammar quiz. If you get 8 out of 10, you are a grammar expert. Let's start. My mother dashed delicious food. B. Cooks. She dash very beautiful. B. Looks. She has dash joined music class. A. Recently. John has dash his bike. B. Riding. We enjoyed dash party. B. She. Dash bread for children. A. Baking. She lives. Dash first floor. B. On. The train has dash at the station. B. Arrived. Those colors are dash strong for a bedroom. B. Very. We are enjoying dash vacation. A. Our comment. How many did you get?